Hi guys, today we'll show you how to automatically back up your iPhone photos to OneDrive. First, unlock your iPhone and open the OneDrive app. Once OneDrive is open, tap on Photos near the top left side of the screen, next to Files. Tap on Turn Camera Backup On to enable automatic photo and video backup. Once it's enabled, your iPhone photos and videos can automatically appear in OneDrive. You can also manage the backup settings from your profile. Tap your profile icon at the top left side, then tap Settings. From the Settings menu, tap on Camera Backup to manage your automatic backup options. Under Camera Backup, enable the option for your Microsoft account, email. This will turn on Camera Backup and allow your iPhone photos and videos to be automatically backed up to OneDrive. And that's how you can automatically back up your iPhone photos and videos to OneDrive. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more Google Maps tutorials.